Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make green chili pickle with vinegar easy method. Begin by washing and drying fresh green chilies thoroughly and trimming stems. Slice or slit chilies to allow flavors to penetrate. Combine salt, mustard seeds, turmeric, and 1 cup vinegar in a sterilized jar. Pour over chilies, press to remove air pockets, seal tightly, and let sit in a cool, dark place for at least 5 days. Prepare ingredients on a clean surface and organize jars and spoons for efficiency. Pat chilies completely dry so vinegar contact is effective and mold risk is reduced. Toast mustard seeds and crush slightly to release oils and aroma. Mix salt and turmeric evenly before adding chilies to ensure consistent seasoning. Warm the vinegar lightly to help dissolve salt and bloom spices, but do not boil to preserve bright flavor. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum cleans floors hands-free, responds to voice commands, and saves time for cooking and cleanup. It's great for catching stray seeds and crumbs when you're busy preparing pickles. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Pack jars with prepared chilies and spices in orderly layers to maximize flavor distribution. Use heated vinegar to fill jars, ensuring the liquid covers chilies completely to prevent spoilage. Tap jars gently to release trapped air bubbles and adjust liquid level if needed. Seal jars and let them rest undisturbed in a cool, shaded spot. Taste after a few days and refrigerate once desired tang and heat are achieved for longer shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.